Hey, job seekers, do you want to be more organized in your job search? Jobscan has a tool for you. With our Google Chrome plugin, you can manage all of your interested jobs in one place. So let's check it out. First, go to Google and type in Jobscan Job Search Tracker. Once you see this from the Google Store, click that. You can install this like any other extension on your Google Chrome browser just by simply clicking Add to Chrome. Once you have installed it and pinned it to your browser, you'll get our little icon right here. You can find the link to our Google Chrome extension in the caption below. Let's take a look at how this will help you keep organized. If you are using job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Monster, or Handshake during your job search, you will see our plugin enabled there. For example, this is what my Indeed looks like. If there is a role that you are interested in applying to, you will see our button here. If you're interested in saving this job for later, you can simply click Save Job. Our Google Chrome extension will take all of that information from this job posting, and if you click Saved, it will save directly to your Jobscan account. Let's keep searching and look for a few more. This job looks good. Let me save this one too. Now, this helps me to keep my browser clean because I'm not opening all these jobs in new tabs. Once you feel like you've done enough window shopping, let's go look at all of the jobs that you saved. When you log into your Jobscan account, you can go to your job tracker here. And in your saved pile here, you will see all of the jobs that you have saved from those job boards. Using our Google Chrome plugin will help you to eliminate the function of copy and pasting any job description into our Power Edit tool, like this executive assistant one from TDS Personnel. Once you're ready to apply for a job, you can click on Resume and choose a resume that you'd like to use for this application. Once you've added this resume, you can click on Optimize Resume, where you'll be brought to our Power Edit tool to start optimizing this resume to this job description. Check out our video on our Power Edit tool to find out how you can optimize your resume to every job posting and every applicant tracking system. So make sure to use our Google Chrome extension to keep yourself organized for all of the jobs that you're interested in applying to. Good luck on your job search!